Hello friends, I am Priyanka Patel, working as a lecturer in V.S. Patel College of Arts and Science, Billimora. This video is for students of FYPSC Semester 1, subject English LTL, and topic of my video is articles. Today in this video we will discuss about articles. In English, there are two kinds of article. First, indefinite article and second, definite article. Article A and article N are called indefinite article and article the is called definite article. First of all, we will discuss about article A. Friends, when we use article A, we use article A before singular countable nouns which begin with consonant sound. For example, a country, a big car, a doctor. Here, you can see that she, B, and A are consonant. So, we use article A here. Friends, you have to note down that A, E, I, O, U are called vowels and B, C, D, F, etc. are called consonant. Article A also used before a word beginning with a vowel but sounding like a consonant. For example, a 1 rupee coin, a European, a university. Next, we will discuss about when we use article N. We use article N before singular countable nouns which begin with vowels like A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an interesting film, an actor. We also use article N before words that begin with a silent H. For example, an hour, an honest, an honor. Here in this example, H is silent, so we use article N here. Next, we will talk about use of article the. We use article the with the musical instruments. For example, I play guitar. Jane plays the violin. With the names of musical instruments like guitar, violin, drum, flute, we use article the. We also use article the refer to people or objects that are unique. For example, the moon is very bright tonight. The president will be speaking on TV tonight. Article the also used before superlatives and ordinal numbers. For example, Ridhima is the tallest student in our class. She read the last chapter of English story book. So friends, we use article the with ordinal numbers like last, first, second, etc. Next, we use article the with adjectives to refer to a whole group of people. For example, the French enjoy cheese. She has given a lot of money to the poor. Here, this word, the poor, is mentioned for group of people. We use article the with the names of geographical areas, rivers, mountain ranges, group of islands, canals and oceans. For example, our ship crossed the Atlantic in 7 days. The Ganga is a holy river. Okay friends, now we will discuss about when we not use article. First, with the names of countries. For example, Germany, Zimbabwe, etc. Second, with the names of languages like French, English, etc. With the names of meals, lunch, breakfast, with the profession like engineering, with the names of shops, with years, and with uncountable nouns like rice, milk, war, etc. Thank you, friends.